You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from Italian, the name of this island around Ischia as well. If you want to learn more useful Italian vocabulary, stay tuned. Procida, that's your Italian pronunciation here. Procida. How to pronounce Procida in English? You can say it similarly, English pronunciation, Procida, Procida. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.